Well, it's just, that's the nature of wiring, you're always struggling. We rolling. Okay. Well, if people want to know how I get all these cables through these holes on my own, this is my biggest secret. It's a bit of polypropylene airline. This is 10mm. I've cut it at an angle with the thing. So, for example, I've got a gland here. I'm gonna some silicone spray on it, make it slippy. Support what's already in there. Boop. Easy as that. So now anything I want that to be on the other side, all I've got to do is get it at least into that pipe, and then when I pull the pipe through and the wire through at the other side, I can hold the wire and pull the pipe over the wire, which will remove the pipe from the gland and leave the cable in the middle. So that's how I do that.
Smart. How long into your career with wiring did you actually discover that secret?
About 45 minutes.
How many years were you struggling for?
Well, it's just, that's the nature of wiring, you're always struggling. It's always a struggle. It is a bit more difficult when you're doing it on your own, because you can't, like sometimes I'll have to get one of the lads to just, you know, it's boring really, because you're just pulling a bit of wire, but without pulling that bit of wire, it can't get to where it needs to go. And if you're not going to go through a gland or something that usually makes it awkward, then the chances are you'll run it under the carpet, and it's a liability then. You know, I'm sure everybody's seen like speaker cables run under the carpet, or in a couple of years later when you come to change them because your speakers have stopped working, you notice they're all squashed because they've been under the carpet. So got a nice, smooth, easy, rigid conduit there. You can just push this all the way through, no problem. If you were trying to force that through the rubber, it'd be incredibly difficult. That's it, done. You know, I just go underneath now, grab the bit of blue hose, pull the blue hose over the wire, and that's it, that's there. Happy. I haven't had to poke holes in the gland or anything. It's not ruined, it is as it is, all is good. Yeah, no, they're trying to do that without that bit of blue hose. It's a royal pain in the arse. So I can do the same now, just through that side. Happy days. Good little trick. You know, look.
So then you can just pull the tube straight through on this side as well.
Yeah, I'm literally pulling the tube over the wire. This wire hasn't moved and the tube's gone. That's my biggest tip, I'd say.
There we are, folks.
Yeah, like if you know, watch this. So I need to go, so we've gone through that one, I want to go through that one over there now. So on the other side, so we'll put the light over there, be a good start. I could probably even do it with one hand. So I get my pokey bit, there we go. Give it a wiggle. Whee. Easy as that. Now I've got to do is just feed my wires through there and do the same again. And then cable tie it all up nice. Easy. Yeah. Neat little trick, huh?
You save the best till last, don't you?
Oh, aye.
You couldn't have told us that last week.
That was a good one, that one there, innit?
Worth the wait.
I'm sure you can buy a Snap-on branded version of that pipe.